Hello YouTube, how are you? How have you been? How's life? It's been a minute. So on to the hair. I'm sure that's what y'all want to see. So because I'm going for a little sporty look, I thought that I would do my hair. Somebody's calling me. So because I'm going for a sporty look, I thought that I would go ahead and do my hair in two space buns. So we're gonna see how this works. So I just took a shower, of course, before I started taping. I don't like straight parts, you guys. If you know anything about me, you'll learn. I don't like straight parts, so I tend to never have, oh God, what is in my eye? Jesus, baby Jesus. Oh, something in my eye, y'all. Oh, shoot. Ooh, that was terrible. So anyway, I'm gonna go for two space buns. My hair is a little damp because I just jumped in the shower. And, ooh, I'm glad y'all can't see that. I just had a little slip, y'all. Ooh, would have made y'all day. But anyway. So, I'm going to go ahead and do two kind of messy space buns. Go ahead and clip this to the side. So my hair is too thick, so it ain't working. Okay, clip this one over here. Then I am going to, I'll put a little bit of Carol's Daughter hairdressing restorative cream. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Control Edge Glaze. So this is what I put on. My hair is just damp. I put this on. As you can see, I got it off the clearance rack. Can y'all see? Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic Hairdress Restorative Cream. And then I am going to, like I said, use some of this Eden Body Works Control Edge Glaze. Put that in my hair a little bit. See the back. And I don't like perfect hair. I like messy hair. I don't know what this is looking like in the back, y'all. Listen. I feel like it ain't looking right. Wait a minute. There we go. And this thing don't want to stay closed. Jeez Louise. Y'all know I'm a nudist, so listen. Can't be a nudist on YouTube. So anyway, just gonna do that. Just have to pray my back is looking right, because I'm not taking this down. I have committed. I love these little scrunchy things. Don't pull your hair out. And I'm going to just do that. Pull it out. See that? Just pull it a little bit out. And then take and wrap it. Let me get my bobby pin. So I just pull a little bit out, take and wrap it, and pin. Let's see if I can get this on the first try. Looks cute from there. Go on to the next one. Like I said, it'll all come together At the end, this side of my hair is a little thinner than the other. Always have been. It's crazy. Showed y'all the products already. Look right here. This is the simplest hairstyle ever in life. See how I did that? Pull a little bit out like that to give it some volume. And then I literally just wrap. Nothing spectacular, you guys. Just wanted to do something. This is a Zumba class, so listen. So I want to do that. Get that in there. Pin it. I'm trying to show you this side and pin, which is not working. Okay. So that's it, you guys. What I end up doing is just taking some more pins and tightening the poof up. Nothing fancy. It's kind of messy, like I like it. And then I'm going to take a couple straight pins, like I said, and just, you know, make it even. That's the back of it. I'm sure the part looks crazy. If you wanted to do this look but neater, you could always, I'll just show you. So this is a neater look. I don't like neat looks, so I'm not going to keep it like this, but just to show you another way, because this may be too messy for some, but I'll show you guys my look. It'll all make sense at the end. So you can do that. You could do a light cornrow. And then twist it if you want it to look neater. I like the poofy look. Like I said, I just gotta spray it. Oh Lord! Listen, trying to use the camera for my mirror is crazy. So you do that, pull it through, and then wrap. Very simple. Very simple. I'm gonna wrap this way. And then yeah, so okay you guys, this is my completed look. Basically, you know, I'm gonna fix that on up. Yeah, just looking like a 3-year-old. And then what I end up doing is, if I wanted this to look a little neater, I would tie a scarf around it. But I don't know if I'm in the mood for that. Okay, so hope you guys watched my enjoyed my very first Get Ready With Me talk through. And until next time, oh, I gotta fix that one, y'all. And until next time, love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, love you guys.